Guangzhou Tengzhuo Packing Equipment Company, Limited, located in Panyu District, Guangzhou City, China, is a modern professional supplier of filling and packaging machine equipment which integrates development, quantization, and sales. Tengzhuo Packing Equipment continues to pursue progress and innovation, always adhering to the be honest person and meticulous work business philosophy. Take quality as the motive force to promote the rapid development of enterprises. In recent years, Tengzhuo Packing Equipment has launched a series of automatic filling and packaging production lines, including bottle washing machine, drying bottle machine, paste filling machine, powder filling machine, liquid filling machine, following filling machine, weighing filling machine, sauce filling machine, capping machine, vacuum capping machine, following capping machine, aluminum foil sealing machine, label machine, sleeve shrimp machine, inkjet printer, and other automatic or semi-automatic non-standard packaging equipment production lines. Our packing machine are widely used in medicine, food, chemical, daily necessities, industry, automobile, electronics, and other industries. Tengzhuo Packing Equipment has won the unanimous recognition and appreciation of customers in different fields. We have a strong team with experienced professionals specializing in equipment design, manufacturing, and sales. Our products are well received both domestically and internationally, with customers across North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Australia, and Africa. In addition to our machinery, we provide customized packaging solutions tailored to each customer's specific requirements. We welcome both OEM and ODM orders. At Focus Machinery, we adhere to the principles of reasonable pricing, efficient production lines, and dedicated after-sales service. Tengzhuo Packing, look forward to discussing how we can support your business and provide effective packaging solutions.
Hello everyone, we are from Guangzhou Tengzhuo Packing Equipment. We specialize in sieve label shaking machines, aluminum foil sealing machines, filling and capping production line. We can customize the machines based on your different bottle demands. We have sold the machines over 100 countries. Welcome to inquiry and consult the machine to us.